price isn't everything when quality shines. Today, we're diving into the top 21 best kitchen gadgets that aren't just popular but loved by customers for their standout performance and quality. These bestsellers have made their mark with amazing reviews, making them kitchen must-haves. Let's check out what makes them so irresistible. The Sofico 2-Cup Silicone Storage Lids, your new go-to for airtight leak-proof storage. These lids fit Pyrex and anchor-hocking 2-cup bowls perfectly, locking in freshness and preventing spills. Made from high-quality BPA-free silicone, they're durable and dishwasher-safe, no more cracked or warped plastic. They can handle extreme temperatures, from the freezer to the dishwasher, and feature a handy hanging hole for easy storage and quick drying. Upgrade your kitchen with these reliable, mess-free lids, ideal for anyone who values freshness and convenience. The Mesmut 12 ounces insulated wine tumbler, a versatile, stylish companion for any drink, anytime. Crafted with double-wall vacuum insulation, this stainless steel tumbler keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours while protecting your hands from temperature extremes. Made from high-quality 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, it's lightweight, unbreakable, and easy to carry. The BPA-free, leak-proof lid has a straw hole for easy sipping and prevents spills, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Whether it's for wine, coffee, or cocktails, this tumbler is ideal for home, office travel, or gifting. The Safine Vegetable Steamer Basket, the perfect tool for healthy, nutrient-rich cooking. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, this expandable steamer fits pots of various sizes, adjusting from 5.4 to 9.2 inches. Its pedal-like design opens smoothly to fit snugly in your pot, folding compactly for easy storage. With a removable center post, it's easy to insert and remove without burning your fingers. Meet Snacktive Pro Finger Chopsticks, the ultimate mess-free snacking tool for gamers. Featured on Shark Tank, this innovative gadget lets you snack without sticky fingers or greasy controllers, keeping your hands and devices clean while you play. Designed for comfort, Snacktive Pro is made with high-quality ABS and TPU materials, offering flexible finger slots that fit all sizes comfortably for long gaming sessions. These BPA-free, dishwasher-safe chopsticks make snacking while gaming, typing, or working a breeze. The original Corchi microwavable silicone popcorn popper makes healthy, homemade popcorn easy and enjoyable. Made of durable, high-quality silicone, this collapsible bowl holds up to 15 cups of popcorn without requiring any oil. The unique design includes 2 cool touch handles and a secure lid to prevent spills and make microwave removal safe and convenient. Perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or travel, this popper folds down to save space when not in use. Just add your kernels, favorite seasonings, and microwave for delicious popcorn in minutes, easy to use, clean, and store. The Elite Gourmet 8x8 non-stick electric skillet, a compact yet versatile addition to your kitchen. This skillet's non-stick surface ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, perfect for preparing a variety of dishes from pancakes to stir-fried veggies. The tempered glass vented lid helps lock in flavors and moisture, while the 600W rapid heat-up feature makes meal prep fast and efficient. Built with a durable cast aluminum body and dishwasher-safe components, this skillet combines convenience with resilience for everyday cooking needs. The Pro Dove Pastry Scraper from MSWGO is a versatile tool perfect for baking and cooking. Made with durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it features a built-in measurement scale for easy portioning. Ideal for cutting dough, slicing pizza, and more, its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, this scraper combines precision and convenience in one compact tool, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The Joyodelph Gourmet Herb Scissors Set is a multi-purpose tool that simplifies kitchen prep. With 5 sharp stainless steel blades, it slices herbs, onions, and more with ease, saving time compared to traditional knives. The ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue, and the large anti-slip handles make even tough cuts easier. This set includes a herb stripper, safety cover, and cleaning comb, allowing for quick, easy maintenance and storage. Durable, safe, and versatile, these herb scissors are a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their culinary experience. The Hutzler Classic Onion Saver is a practical kitchen tool designed to keep cut onions fresh longer while trapping their strong odors. Its bright yellow onion shape ensures it's easy to find in the fridge, so it never gets lost or forgotten. This BPA-free container is perfect for storing onion slices or serving them for burgers and bagels. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Momota Sous Vide Cooking Bag Set is a versatile, reusable solution for food storage and sous vide cooking. This set includes 20 BPA-free bags with 2 sizes, an upgraded electric pump, and accessories for easy sealing. The vacuum bags lock in freshness and flavors up to 3 to 5 times longer, making them ideal for meal prep, storage, or sous vide. Easy to clean and perfect for fridge organization or on-the-go meals, this kit is a practical choice for anyone looking to preserve food with convenience. The OXO Good Grips vegetable brush makes cleaning produce a breeze. Its durable nylon bristles scrub potatoes, carrots, and more, while the non-slip, flexible grip ensures comfort and control. Dishwasher safe and compact, this brush is a practical addition to any kitchen. Add a touch of vintage charm to your kitchen with this mason jar measuring cup set by Sparrow Decor. In a beautiful farmhouse blue, these ceramic measuring cups stack together to form a classic mason jar look, doubling as a decorative accent on your countertop. With 4 essential sizes -1 cup, a half cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup, this set combines style with practicality, perfect for baking or gifting on special occasions. The Utopia Kitchen Flour Sack Towel is an ideal choice for versatility and durability. This 12-pack of 28x 28-inch, 100% cotton towels is highly absorbent and perfect for drying dishes, cleaning windows, or even using in crafts like embroidery. Lightweight and lint-free, these towels are crafted with a diagonal knit for extra durability and quick drying power. Machine washable and shrink resistant, they're a sustainable, reusable alternative to paper towels, helping you reduce waste while meeting all your kitchen needs. The Hiku wine opener combines functionality and elegance, perfect for wine lovers, bartenders, and servers. Featuring a polished rosewood handle and sturdy stainless steel body, this corkscrew offers a comfortable, ergonomic grip for easy handling. Its efficient double-hinge design provides added leverage, effortlessly removing natural or synthetic corks in 5 twists or less. The built-in serrated foil cutter ensures a smooth cork removal process, making it an essential all-in-one tool. Ideal as a thoughtful gift, this wine opener is perfect for anyone who enjoys a seamless wine pouring experience. The Beka 34-ounce French press coffee maker combines elegant design with practicality, ideal for coffee aficionados who appreciate a pure, sediment-free brew. Constructed from high-quality, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, this coffee press withstands high temperatures and is complemented by a sleek stainless steel frame in dark pewter. Its 4-level filtration system, comprising a mesh filter, spring disc, metal crossplate, and a final screen ensures a clean, rich flavor. Portable and easy to disassemble for cleaning, it's a convenient choice for home, travel, or camping. The Oridum Expandable Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer is a stylish and functional solution to tame cluttered kitchen drawers. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, it adjusts from 10.04 to 15.5 wide, offering 5 to 7 compartments to neatly store cutlery, utensils, and larger kitchen tools like ladles and whisks. Its polished finish and elegant natural bamboo tone add warmth to any kitchen decor. With a smooth sliding design and sturdy construction, it fits most standard drawers and is versatile enough to organize items in bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices. The Walfo's silicone basting and pastry brush set is designed for efficiency and durability, perfect for all your grilling, baking, and cooking needs. Featuring a one-piece construction with an internal stainless steel core, these brushes are sturdy, rust-resistant, and prevent bristle shedding, ensuring no food contamination. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone up to 450 def, they can be safely used in ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. This set includes both a 10-inch and an 8.2-inch brush, ideal for spreading sauces evenly without cross-flavoring. The Hotech Mini Silicone Kitchen Tongs are a reliable, high-quality choice for cooking and serving. Made from premium stainless steel with heat-resistant, food-grade silicone tips, these 7-inch tongs are rust-resistant, lightweight, and easy to handle. They feature a locking mechanism for convenient storage, a cushioned handle for a comfortable grip, and are safe up to 600 def, ensuring they won't scratch your cookware. Perfect for individual servings or buffet settings, these versatile tongs handle a range of foods, making them ideal for salads, appetizers, and more. The Holstein Housewares Omelette Frittata Maker is a versatile, time-saving appliance designed to make meal prep a breeze. With 2 non-stick sections, it effortlessly cooks fluffy omelets, frittatas, pizza pockets, and more, allowing you to customize portions for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleaning, while the preheat indicator light guarantees consistent cooking. Its compact, stylish design fits neatly on any countertop and adds a pop of color to your kitchen. The Gifoyo 12-inch bamboo pizza peel is a beautifully crafted kitchen essential perfect for pizza enthusiasts. Made from high-quality bamboo, its smooth surface prevents dough from sticking, making it ideal for sliding homemade pizzas in and out of the oven with ease. Measuring 17.5 inches long with a comfortable 4.5-inch handle, it's easy to grip and has a convenient hanging hole for storage. Versatile in use, this board also doubles as a stylish cutting board for bread, cheese, fruits, and vegetables. The Holison Biscuit Cutter Set, a professional-grade baking tool, features 5 stainless steel cutters with precise measurements engraved for easy size selection. Designed with a comfortable, arched handle, these cutters make slicing through dough effortless while keeping your hands safe. Perfect for creating a variety of round treats, from biscuits and cookies to fondant and mini cakes. This set's non-stick, rust-proof design ensures easy cleaning and lasting durability. An essential for any baker, this stylish set simplifies baking beautiful, evenly sized creations every time.